Hey everybody, it's Stephanie here, Stephanie Ratto Photography. I'm part of a Photographer's Journal Facebook group. If you're not in the group, you should get in the group because we love just helping beginners and giving you little tricks and tips through Photoshop and just trying to help when we can. So I'm Marianne of MJ's Photography. Voluntold me to create this video showing just some really quick tricks on Photoshop on how to batch edit and how that can really help speed up your process. So I've already gone through and done my camera raw edit with this photo. You can see here's the default what I started with. So what I do is when I have a bunch of photos that are going to be the similar setting, I am going to actually just go through and do one of them. I'm going to push Command C. I'm on a Mac, and I'm just going to paste it. Command V. From there, I might go through and adjust this one as needed. So I might kind of raise those highlights or those whites a little bit more just to make her pop. And I might go through with the luminance and kind of raise up those oranges a little bit. Maybe go a little bit more away from the left over to the right here on the oranges hue layer. So I'm happy with that to start with. I'm gonna do the same thing with this one now. I'm gonna Command C, go over here, Command V. This one's gonna be a little bit different even because I didn't have her, as you can see, like the sky, kind of went back dark again. So I'm gonna go back through and I might just up the exposure on this one a little bit more. It's every photo is gonna have their own little tiny tweaks that you're gonna have to do, but it gives you a really good starting point where you're not having to start fresh and you're able to really keep that consistency throughout your photos. So again, for this one, go back here, Command V. Those ones should be very similar. So I'm not even gonna touch this one because that's, where I want it. So once I have these where I'm wanting them, I'm gonna go ahead and open them in Photoshop. And so let's just, for example, I'm just going to pick a random action that we start with. Let me finish letting these load. Hope you guys are all having a happy Monday. So I'm just going to go into Kelsey Freeman and I'm just going to click Wander. This is a base that, I'll kind of start with and then make adjustments from there. So all you're going to do is click whatever action you want to use on your images. You are going to go to File. You're going to go to Automate and you're going to click Batch. You have your set that you want. You're going to source it on all open files. Click OK. And voila, it puts it on there. So that's something that just kind of gets them on each file for you to where you can now go into each file and make whatever adjustments within those actions that you need to fit your image. So that's the trick of the day, tip of the day, however you want to call it. I hope it helps some of you who may not have known this, and feel free to reach out if you have any other questions.